Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Visionary Global Consultancy. So friends, in this video we will discuss about admission and a scholarship process in University of Alberta, Canada. We will discuss in details about undergraduate and graduate programs, about language certification and all other requirements about this process. So before going in details, I request you as always, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's discuss in details. Study at the University of Alberta, Canada. This university is one of the top 5 Canadian universities and one of the top 150 universities in the world. This university offers undergraduate studies and graduate studies in different programs. You can see here, undergraduate programs are approximately 200 programs that this university offers. In 500 graduate programs, 250 specializations and 300 research areas this university offers on scholarship, regional and university scholarship. First of all, we are going to search about the programs of undergraduate. So we have to click here, find your program. Here you can see 200 plus programs. You can directly search all programs that this university offers are here. It's in alphabetical order: accounting, adapted physical activities, agriculture and resources economics, agriculture and business management, animal sciences, anthropology. So all undergraduate programs are available to apply for the admission in this university. And now come towards graduate programs. For undergraduate program, when you will start your application, then you have to click here, begin application. So you can start your application here. You can see here, start your application, and then you can see here deadlines. Different faculties have different deadlines to apply. You can see key dates and deadlines, transcripts and documents, evaluation process, tuition fees. After that, we will discuss about graduate programs. First, if we want to apply for graduate programs, then we have to click here, find your programs. Here you can see prospective students, awards and fundings. Here are 15 faculties: economics, English and film studies, surgery, agriculture, food and nutritional sciences. All other programs you can easily find here in faculties and degrees. Program type, with thesis or without thesis, you can easily find here. Then if you want to apply for graduate studies, you have to click here, apply for admissions, graduate application process step by step. First step, choose your graduate programs in which you want to apply. Then step 2, review graduate admission requirements and contact the department. After applying, you have to contact your department. In step 3, prepare and apply online. After registration, you have to contact department, and then you have to prepare your documents and apply online, because all the documents required documents you have to upload online. Here you can see the list of supporting documents, application requirements, transcripts, your degrees, mark sheets, English proficiency. One thing here I want to tell you that Alberta University this year announced some recognized English language countries and institutions. Students from these countries and institutions exempted from IELTS. We can see here all African countries are exempted and international universities. We will go for Pakistan. Here you can see these students from these universities are exempted from IELTS. Aga Khan University, Gomal University, Hamdard University, Lahore University of Management Sciences, Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, Quaid-e-Azam University, Sindh Agriculture University, Tandojab. So they have mentioned on their official website that students who got their degrees from these universities are exempted from IELTS. So there's no any requirement for IELTS to apply for this university and its scholarship process. So all these details are about Alberta University admission and scholarship process. Further, if you have any question, you can ask in comment box, or you can contact me on Telegram group. That link is mentioned in description of this video. So this is all about in this video. See you soon in next video. Take care.